Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to upload guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use guys touch and hold with three finger to take screenshot setting. Friends, you want to take a screenshot guys with touch and hold three fingers, and how to use and how to enable the setting on Oppo phone device. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friend, first of all, we will on phone settings. So after on phone settings, friends, you can see this type of interface. So when scroll it, then guys, we will click on guys Oppo phone tool setting. Tool setting, we will on after on tool setting, friends, you can see your navigation setting. Friends, you want to use your gesture navigation setting. So friends, you can on friends, you can remove your three button navigation from here. Then guys, click on screenshot setting. First, friends, you can see three finger screenshot. As your three finger screenshot is off, so where you can on from here. After guys, you can take a screenshot with your three finger guys. Second option, friends, you can see touch and hold with three fingers. So how to use this touch and hold with three finger to take a screenshot. Friends, you can see screenshot. So guys, touch and hold with three finger, and friends, you can see screenshot. Friends, you can crop the screenshot, you can adjust your screenshot according to yourself. And the right side guys, when you will tap, this screenshot will save. Friends, you want to edit, friends, you want to mark here, so you can edit also from here guys. So friends, you want to share, you want to crop, friends, you can crop your screenshot. And right side guys, tap here, your screenshot will save. Friends, you can check on your gallery guys. So we will on guys phone gallery. Friends, you can see screenshot guys, we will on it. Friends, you can see screenshot will save on our phone. So like that way we can take guys touch and hold with three finger, touch and hold guys here. Then guys, you can take guys screenshot on your Oppo phone device guys. And once you can adjust your screenshot, you want to crop, edit, scroll, right side tap, and guys when you will tap here, the guys screenshot will delete. So like the guy, we can you can touch and hold with three finger to take a screenshot on Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video guys. Thanks for watching the video guys.